Be persistent and never give up hope. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we are going to feature Sedum family of succulent known as Sedum golden rice. This type of succulent is a low-growing, ground cover plant that is known for its dense, cushion-like mats of foliage. It is a low-maintenance, drought-hardy plant that thrives in a well-drained soil and requires minimal watering. Sedum is often used in rockeries, containers, and as a ground cover. You can find similar plants in various succulent nurseries and onlines.